Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your PayPal prepaid card in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is quicker and more secure than ever. Whether you're managing your finances on the go or just want to load up your prepaid card for everyday use, this guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the PayPal app installed on your phone or access to the website on your computer. It's essential to use the most up-to-date version for 2025's enhanced features. Start by logging into your PayPal account with your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a quick verification code. It's all about keeping your money safe. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see your linked accounts and cards. Look for your PayPal prepaid card. It should be listed under your payment methods. If it's not there, you might need to add it first by going to Link a Card and entering the card details. Now, for the transfer itself, select your PayPal prepaid card from the list. You'll see an option to Add Funds or Transfer Money. Click on that and enter the amount you want to move from your PayPal balance. Double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Every penny counts. After entering the amount, review the transaction details. PayPal will show you any fees involved, especially if it's an instant transfer. In 2025, they've made it even faster, so hit Confirm, and you're good to go. The money should appear on your prepaid card almost immediately, depending on your settings. One quick tip: always keep an eye on your transaction history to track where your money is going. If you run into any issues, PayPal's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7 through the app. There you have it, folks. Transferring money from PayPal to your prepaid card is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.